Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. I'm Sandy, and I'm so happy that you are here with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 6 different styles of decorative ball bowl fillers of different sizes and different colors and textures. These balls can fill your most beautiful bowl and vase centerpieces in any room of your home. All materials used in today's craft project was found at either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. For all of our decorative ball bowl fillers today, we will be using either plastic base balls, which come in a pack of 3 at Dollar Tree, or foam balls of various sizes. For our first bowl filler, we will also need some rope. In my case, I will be making some decorative balls with white rope, with some silver rope, and some with both white and silver rope. We will also need our handy dandy glue gun, which I purchased from Amazon. To start us off, we will be making a decorative ball with some silver rope. But before we do so, make sure you get a cup of your favorite beverage and put on some tunes. As you can see here, I have taken the end of the silver rope and have secured it to the top of one of the balls with some hot glue. Once the hot glue dries and the end of the rope is secure, you can start winding the rope in a circle on the ball and adding small amounts of hot glue along the way to ensure the rope is tightly secured onto the ball. And here you can see our first rope ball is complete. Just make sure you tuck in the end of the rope and secure it with enough hot glue so it doesn't unravel. Also, as you get more comfortable making the decorative balls with the rope, you can create patterns by mixing in both white and silver color, or whatever color combination you prefer, and creating your own pattern, such as decorating the ball half in white and half in silver. Or you can also alternate white and silver ropes on the ball. For our next decorative ball, we will be using some beaded necklace to adhere to a foam ball. I will be making mine with silver beaded necklace and a separate one with a gold beaded necklace. You can also opt to decorate your foam ball half in silver and half in gold. We will use the exact same process as we did for the first ball by using hot glue to adhere the end of one of the beaded necklace to the top of a ball. Then wind the beaded necklace until the entire ball is covered in the beaded necklace, making sure to apply hot glue along the way as you lay down the beaded necklace onto the ball. And here we are almost done our second ball. As with our first ball made with rope, make sure you tuck in the end of the beaded necklace and secure it with enough hot glue so it doesn't unravel. For our third decorative ball bowl filler, we will be using some hot glue to adhere individual metallic pony beads onto a plastic baseball. I have chosen silver metallic beads, but the beads also come in gold and other colors at Dollar Tree. And here you can see we have finally gotten to the last few beads for our third decorative ball. This one was definitely tedious because the beads are small and there are so many to glue down. But the finished product looks amazing and it was well worth it. For our next decorative ball, we will be using a bag of clear, round glass marbles. If you prefer more color, Dollar Tree sells bags of blue and green ones as well. Here you can see that I have chosen to adhere the glass marbles onto a small foam ball. You will be surprised when you're done how much larger this small foam ball becomes. And here is our glass marble ball all done. As I mentioned previously, this ball turned out so much larger than the original small foam ball we started with. For our fifth decorative ball bowl filler, we will be pinning silver thumbtacks to a small foam ball. No glue required for this one, but be careful when handling the thumbtacks since the ends are sharp. And here is the completed thumbtack ball. Pretty neat, huh? And here you can see I started making a bigger one with a larger foam ball. This one, of course, will take a lot longer since there is a much larger surface area to cover with the thumbtack. For our last decorative ball, we will be using some silver plastic spoons. Here you will see that I am detaching the spoon heads from the spoon arms. Put the spoon arms aside for a future project as we will only be needing the spoon heads for this last decorative ball we will be making today. To begin, take a spoon head and place it down so that the rounded part sticks up from the ball. To adhere it to the foam ball, the hot glue should be applied onto the edges of each spoon. And finally, our spoon ball is finished. And here is a display of all the decorative ball bowl fillers with the different materials and designs we used. Comment down below and let me know which bowl filler you prefer. The rope balls, the beaded necklace balls, the metallic pony bead balls, the glass marble balls, the thumbtack balls, or the silver plastic spoon balls. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.